Underneath Antarctica's ice lies a dark secret, a hidden world frozen for millions of years. Ancient rivers, unknown creatures, and deadly microbes waiting to wake up. But what if, right now, every single piece of ice on Antarctica suddenly melted? Today, we're about to find out. From megafloods swallowing entire cities, to ancient viruses escaping their icy prisons. This is What If Antarctica Melted in Minutes. Welcome to the Thwaites Glacier, a 120-kilometer wide block of ice so unstable, scientists call it the Doomsday Glacier, and in our scenario, it melts instantly. Huge walls of ice collapse into the ocean. Sea levels rise 60 centimeters in seconds. Cities start flooding. Miami, New Orleans, San Francisco. People have no warning. The world just changed forever. But the real mystery isn't above the ice. It's below it. As the ice disappears, an alien world is revealed. A huge river powered by Earth's geothermal heat. Strange ice-dwelling anemones that walk underwater. Invisible microbes older than human civilization. These organisms have been sealed away for millions of years. And now, they're free. Some could help us discover new medicines. Others could trigger outbreaks we have no defenses against. As the rest of Antarctica melts, the oceans rise. 2 meters, 4 meters, 10 meters. By the time all Antarctic ice is gone, sea levels shoot up by more than 70 meters. London, New York, Shanghai, Mumbai, Venice, Tokyo. 40% of humanity lives near coastlines. Millions drown before rescue teams even understand what is happening. And strangely, near Antarctica, sea levels actually fall. Why? Because the massive ice sheets used to pull ocean water toward them with gravity. Once the ice is gone, the water flows away. Melting Antarctica dumps so much fresh water into the ocean that it destroys the global conveyor belt of currents that move heat around the planet. Without it, tropical regions get hotter, cold regions freeze or overheat, storms become more violent, marine ecosystems collapse. The ocean is no longer the same ocean. But here's the terrifying part. Microbes trapped in ancient ice start waking up. Antibiotic-resistant linked to dangerous infections, capable of sharing their supergenes with modern bacteria. One mutation, one human. She'd be a global nightmare, and we haven't even reached the worst part yet. With all the ice gone, Antarctica transforms into something no human has ever seen. A canyon deeper than the Grand Canyon, stretching 3,500 meters below sea level. A 15-million-year-old lake, sealed off since before humans existed. Ancient mountains and valleys untouched by life. This is a new continent, but not a safe one. Now the permafrost melts. Think of it as Earth's giant freezer finally opening. Inside that freezer, methane, CO2, ancient organic matter. Microbes wake up, eat the thawed material, and release huge amounts of greenhouse gases. The atmosphere heats rapidly. More methane escapes, more heat, more melting. Earth enters a feedback loop we cannot escape. Temperatures rise 5 to 10 degrees C worldwide. The global average reaches 26-27 degrees Celsius. Some regions become unlivable. Humans flee inland. Countries collapse. But there's one surprising twist. Antarctica becomes warm. Warm enough for forests. Warm enough for rivers. Warm enough to become a new home for climate refugees. Millions move to the newly exposed land, a continent that was once the coldest place on Earth. So, what have we learned? If Antarctica melted in minutes, sea levels would rise over 70 meters, billions would die, coastal cities disappear, ancient diseases awaken, global weather collapses, and Earth becomes far hotter than today. It would be the most catastrophic event in human history. Thankfully, Antarctica isn't melting in minutes, but it is melting. And what we do next may determine whether our future looks like today or like the nightmare you just saw. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and stay alive.